guys, so today I'm just going to be doing a very simple wig review. Fall's coming up and I'm ready to slap some wigs back on my head. I'm just ready to start wearing wigs again. This summer has been so hot. Alright, that wigs for me were out of the question. Like, I just could not rock wigs at all this summer because like my head would have just been drenched in sweat the entire summer and I probably would have passed out from heat exhaustion. So I ordered a wig from WowAfrican. There's tons of reviews on YouTube for WowAfrican hair. I would honestly suggest this brand if you are new to wigs and you don't want to do too much, if you don't want to like, you know, have to go and learn how to pluck a wig, learn how to bleach the knots, and learn how to do this, that, and the third. I would go to WowAfrican. It's a pretty affordable site in my opinion. Like, the wigs are expensive, right? They're like on the higher end. Like if you went on like Eunice wigs, or if you went to like, how do you say it, Tanashi, that website, or like a bunch of the mid-range of like quality hair brands, then you would probably spend less money, but you would not get the same quality. The wigs that I bought from WowAfrican have just been perfect. Like literally, I don't have to do much to them. Yeah, I got this wig on sale. It was actually on clearance because I really wanted to buy a wig from WowAfrican, but like I said, they are a little pricey, so I don't like to always buy my wigs from WowAfrican, but the wigs I do buy from WowAfrican are the type of style that I want and that I'm gonna want for a long time. It came in this box. I would say it took about 4 to 5 days to get here, not to ship, but to get here. The hair came in this little WowAfrican satin bag. I have a bunch of these and I love this because I love keeping my wigs in these little satin bags. It saves space and I just prefer it. It came wrapped up in one of the nets, and this is the hair. I believe this is 22 inches. This, I'm pretty sure, is a 13x4 cap. WowAfrican, I don't think, maybe they do. Like, I'm not sure that they still actively sell 13x4 caps. I'm not sure if they still actively sell them, but because this was clearance, I think this is one of their older units that still had a 13x4 cap. So this is the inside. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is 13x4. But yeah, she's cute. She's really cute. This is the hairline. Just show that to you off bat. And yeah, this is the texture. Oh, and it came with the wig cap, so that's nice. And there's no elastic band on the back, but I got it in a size small because I got a small head, and usually I don't need a elastic band when it comes to that. So this is a natural colored deep wave virgin Brazilian lace front. Okay, the cap construction is 22-inch cap 6 blueless lace front wig. So cap 6 isn't available on the website anymore, so that's why I said I don't think this cap is actually like actively sold. If you buy one of their clearance units, you'll probably find a cap 6, because most of their units, if not all, if I'm not mistaken, they are 13x6 and then, or 13 by like 5/6, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah, this is the wig. I don't know, I'm really excited. I usually don't get like hair this long simply because it's expensive, y'all. Like, I really love to have the inches, but I can't always afford the inches. But because this is on clearance, I got it. Now let me tell you how much I paid for this. Full price of this wig was $299, so $300 for 22 inches, 13x4. For this website, I would say that that's not bad, especially because it comes pre-plucked. It's also bleached. I could stand, I don't know if you can see that it's bleached, but you can see that, right? I could stand to probably bleach it a little bit more, but will I? Probably not. I don't feel like doing that. But I would say for 22, right? Let me make sure, because I keep forgetting. I keep thinking it's 20. No, for 22 inches, a 13x4, 22 inches Brazilian, I would say that's pretty damn good. So yeah, I just wanted to show you me unboxing it. The hair does have a smell. I honestly don't believe people when they say that like you take a wig out of the box and it never has a smell. Every wig, in my opinion, has a smell. I have bought some very pricey wigs and they had a smell too. It's not a matter of if the wig does or doesn't have a smell, it's how strong the smell is. To be honest, this is not a strong smell. It just smells like wig. I don't know how else to explain it to you. You buy a wig from online and it smells like this. It smells like, not super chemically, but it smells like a wig. It smells like processed hair. So I'm gonna wash it because I have a sensitive scalp, and if I put this right on my head, I will absolutely, like, my scalp will be itchy. I'm not gonna, no, I'm not doing all that. But I'm gonna wash it and then I'll come back to you guys after it's fully dry. I'm not gonna blow dry it, I'm gonna air dry it. So when I come back to you, it'll probably be tomorrow. I'm gonna wash it in cold water, like cold. I'm gonna wash it in warm water and rinse it in cold water. And I'm gonna use my silicone shampoo and silicone shampoo and my silicone conditioner, and then I'll come back to y'all. So yeah, also if you have never ordered from WowAfrican and you haven't watched any of the review videos, they always come with a brochure, which I think is so helpful, especially if you are a new wig wearer and you really are like intimidated by like wig upkeep. This brochure tells you everything you need to know about taking care of your wig. So it's got the instructions, hair care tips, like all of it, y'all, all of it. I will see y'all tomorrow once my wig is washed and dried. So yeah, YouTube magic. Okay guys, I'm back. It's the next day. I have my hair pushed back, so I'm looking a bit more egg-like than normal. But it's because I'm gonna put this wig on. So the wig is dry. I use silicone mix specifically on my wigs, on all of my wigs, but specifically on my curly hair wigs because it helps the hair, like in my opinion, the silicone mix stops the hair from shedding as much, and it also keeps it shiny. I would not use it on my real hair because like it's silicone, but it works perfectly for preserving my wigs. So this is the hair washed. There's nothing in it except for a little bit of jojoba oil. I just put like the smallest amount of jojoba oil in it just to fluff up the curls a bit. But this is the wig with absolutely no product in it, nothing at all. Yeah, the smell is gone, by the way. That wig smell that I said every wig has is gone. I believe this is like a low density though, because the thing about me is that when I buy wigs, like curly wigs, I learned my lesson. I personally don't like the way that curly hair wigs look on me if it's high density. I've got a small head, and even though my natural hair is actually rather thick, it's not dense, if that makes any sense. And I think that getting very dense wigs looks kind of weird on me. I think it looks super strange on me if it's a bunch of freaking hair packed into the wig. It also makes it really hard for the wig to lay flat on my head. So I actually opt out of getting a high density wig when it's curly hair. When it's straight hair, I get higher density because you need some volume with straight hair. With curly hair, it just comes with natural volume. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy on. I don't like to glue my wigs down oftentimes because I honestly just find it really annoying. I don't really do much. Also the Rona, there's no reason for me to be out like that. And so I don't like to glue my wigs down. But it's not that I can't, I just don't always do it. I just want to show y'all what this looks like. The hairline is a little bit dense, even though it is pre-plucked. I'm just lazy. I really could just go ahead and pluck this. I could have plucked it yesterday, but I just didn't feel like it. So I'm just gonna leave it alone. I also like push the baby hairs back. I'm gonna cut the lace now. I also pushed the baby hairs back after I washed it because I like to do that. I like to see what the wig looks like with all the baby hairs out of the way, and then I can decide how much of the baby hair I want to be out. The lace is transparent, and to be honest, that works for me because I am of a lighter brown complexion, lighter skin, so it really doesn't affect me negatively. But if you had a darker skin tone than me, I would suggest that you actually go like get, because they have options for darker laces, and I would get a darker lace because this definitely would not blend with somebody who has a darker complexion than me. I don't want to brush out the curls, but I think I might, just because I'm gonna have to redo this this part anyway. I'm a lazy girl. I don't really feel like always having to style my wig to a particular style. Even though it can be fun, I don't always feel like it. So with this wig, I did buy it with the intention of being able to wear it natural, and it just looked good natural. And I believe she's giving what she was supposed to give because I'm liking it. Like I said, this is 22 inches. I am 5'10". So think about that, okay? I'm 5'10", y'all. And she's going well past my boobies. She's going like midsection area. So yeah, this is giving me like I don't even know, y'all. Kind of give me some Moana vibes. You know, I am Moana. I can't sing, I know that. You don't need to tell me in the comments. I'll pull some of my hair out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lay my edges. I feel like I look bald-headed to y'all. Y'all don't see my hair though. Y'all see, or if you're new, you haven't, but I swear I'm not bald-headed. I just have thin hair in the front of my head, like thin edges. I always have since I've been a kid. So I always get self-conscious when like that part of my hair is shown because it kind of looks a little strange. But to be honest, that's just how my hair is. I'm not bald-headed, okay? That's all I'm trying to say is I'm not bald-headed. This is such a cute wig though, like I love it. I'm about to rock this everywhere I go, which is nowhere, but like to the stove. I'm gonna rock this on the way to the stove. I'm gonna be like, hey y'all, just don't mind me and my 22 inches of Moana hair. Don't mind me. That's just that WowAfrican. You don't know nothing about that. That WowAfrican. Ignore me. Just ignore me. I be talking too much. Obviously, I like to do stuff with my hair, y'all. And if I want to grow my hair back out, I really have to just like keep her out of my sight because I'm gonna try to do something. Okay, I know myself all too well. So getting these type of wigs is perfect. Now, if I were to do all this, you'd probably see the tracks. But as it is just laying, I could probably do this and be fine. Dare I say even the wind blowing, I would be fine. See, I'm about to go back and look at that footage, and if you could see my tracks, I'm gonna sound like a fool. But I'm pretty sure I'm fine. So yeah, that's my little review for this unit from WowAfrican. It was on clearance, 22 inches, y'all. It was the official price is $299, but I like to round it up, $300. That's how much this wig was, and I would say I definitely got my money's worth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, then like it, please. If you want to be my friend, be my homie, be my fam, then go ahead and subscribe and we can have many more hair adventures. I do a lot more on this channel. I do everything. I cosplay, I do Chit Chat Get Ready With Me, I do girl talk, I do like video essays and pretty much just talk about certain topics. Really, my video essays have been surrounded by social construct theories. It's been about certain movies I've watched that like intrigued me and sparked a conversation. Just anything and everything. So go ahead and check those out. And yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. So